Welcome to the Tech Radar Pro YouTube channel, where we provide you with the latest news to help your business succeed. Today we are discussing a new update from Microsoft and the technology that is improving accessibility for millions of people. Microsoft has been a leader in accessibility technology advancement, setting the bar for the rest of the industry. Their efforts have been especially prevalent in the integration of artificial intelligence and open AI across their services. Microsoft announced that they recently released the Accessibility Assistant, which is just as easy to use as a spell check. It is built to prevent and correct any accessibility issues while providing real-time remediation and guidance. In addition, this development was also made available in the Visual Studio development environment earlier this year. Microsoft has also released 3D printed attachments and grips for the Surface Pen. This makes their AR and VR capabilities more accessible to people with disabilities. Microsoft has also included 13 additional languages in the translator technology, leading to the total speech-to-text supported languages launching to 125. On top of the changes to the translator technology, Microsoft has also added automatic alt text for images posted to LinkedIn using the Azure Cognitive Services, thus making the platform more accessible for those with vision impairments. Additionally, Microsoft has made enhancements to the Seeing AI app. This technology helps those with limited vision navigate their surroundings. Microsoft has also released Inclusive Design for Cognition Handbook, making it easier for product designers to create user interfaces that are easier to understand to those with learning disabilities. Finally, Microsoft has improved the built-in screen reader and narrator support on Windows 11, another step towards improving accessibility. These changes not only make Microsoft products more accessible, but also improves the lives of millions of people with disabilities. We hope this update helps your business succeed, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all the news and productivity tools available today.